So we got through the weekend and frankly did quite well. We held some higher levels in terms of ADA and the broader crypto market. I can't really say the same thing about this morning. We're experiencing some volatility. I actually just even prepping for this video, I watched ADA drop from 38 cents down to about 37.25. BTC had dropped very quickly as well. So there's some big buying and big selling going on right now, and they're kind of fighting with each other to try to figure out where we're going to really start off this week. You guys can see BTC still just a stone throw away from breaking its top trend. So we're getting very close to this breakout. One of the things that I'm liking the most is that we didn't create a CME gap to begin the week. So that gives us a lot of upside potential. It's not something we have to have sitting, looming in the back of our mind like we've experienced in the past. Some of these CME gaps that have been created like back here. I think there's one more floating somewhere around here. Anyways, so what we're really waiting for is two big things that are going to be taking place this week. One on Wednesday, which is the NVIDIA earnings, and one on Friday, which is the PC report. Now, the NVIDIA earnings, we've actually seen AI coins kind of creep up a little bit. I own a couple AI coins, and they've done very well as we've moved into this, right? Even into the early part of the week, ones like Fetch gaining some ground. This is very exciting to see. And what we're expected to see from this earnings is significant growth. In fact, this is expected to be a blockbuster event with earnings of 65 cents per share, a 141% increase from the prior year, with revenue expected to reach 28.72 billion, up 113%. Now, you might look at that and say, why does that matter? Well, positivity, excitement, sentiment. These are the things that get people out of bed in the day, and they're what get people looking at crypto again. All right. Even though it's not a direct correlation, a direct relation, that's again where you might start to go through kind of one of these mini sub cycles again, where AI coins take off and then meme coins take off and then blockchains take off like ADA and Sol and Avalanche, right? Whatever. But the sentiment is the thing that we're kind of waiting for. All right. Now, Friday is important because we have the PC report expected to come, or not expected, it will come. And what this is gauging again is how much people are spending on goods and services. This takes into account everybody, not just urban areas. And what we're expected to see, I believe, is actually a 2.7% year over year. We're supposed to see an increase of 0.2%. So nothing crazy, kind of consistent with what we have been seeing. So as long as the data continues to stay good, it again feeds into that narrative that we're going to be having those interest rate decreases coming in September. So this is a very big deal. This is something again that can create a little spark of excitement in the market. I did want to point out as well, we have the date set for the Chang hard fork. It's supposed to be September 1st. And what I'm very excited to see is that of all these exchanges, the only ones that have not even started this process are very small ones now. All right. I believe the only largest one was like a 2.72 from P2B. Never heard of it before, but everything else is like 0.2%, 0.3%, 0.1%. So everybody's at least underway. They've now kicked into high gear, and we're gearing up for a big thing to take place next week for ADA, for the Cardano ecosystem. Very big deal. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. This week, we may experience some volatility, but there are some good positive catalysts that may give us a little extra leg in the market. So I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Let me know in the comments down below, but I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.